Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlamenes on Monday, Petenis Day turns into a nightmare. Sibongile is ecstatic after joining a chastity group, but someone ruins her day. Battle lines are drawn between Mavis and Nomfundo. On Tuesday, Kwenzu realizes that Smongile might be slipping out of his fingers. Nengelosi reaches out to the Dlamini grandchildren and desperate meet with them. Mavis is conflicted about the competition. On Wednesday, student life starts putting distance between Kwenzo and Sbongile. They spend Valentine's Day preoccupied. The Dlamenes siblings spend time with their gogo. The Chakalaka competition reaches a peak. Thank you guys for watching.